Everyone, everywhere has doubt. And doubt can be a good thing. But if doubt is becoming an inner distraction that stops you from moving forward, it can be quite debilitating, because if we don't control doubt, then we won't be able to control the other inner distractions like anger, greed, sloth, and worry. If we don't get over that doubt, then everything starts to get distracted by those inner distractions. And again, the most successful people overcome their doubt, let it go. They know it's a quick adversity, and what they try to do is they learn to find an opportunity with equal or better value or benefit. So give me your email address, and in this situation, we're talking about that doubt. Give me your name, use an alias if you don't want anybody to see your name, because people will see your name. Nobody sees your email address though. Okay. All right, now, doubt. Identify that doubt. I don't believe it. I don't believe it could happen. I can see other people doing it, but I doubt that I could. That's one I run into a lot. And then name it. You describe it, name it, then rate that doubt impulse in the back of your mind. Okay, that primitive brain is the first one that gets it. It's also an emotional response too. Then, once that thought gets to your logical brain, what was the intensity there? Usually emotional, or the primitive brain is quite high, and the logical brain is like, what was I thinking? Then the real kicker is ask yourself, how bad was that thought? How bad was that adversity? Then immediately, as quick as you can, go into what is it? Where can I find a benefit or an opportunity with an equal or greater benefit? Quickly write these down and keep doing it until you have trained your mind to get over your doubt. Be careful though. You don't want to let doubt or disbelief be a label of you. It's not who you are. It's just a few of the thoughts in your mind. And then go into the three-step process. This three-step process is to help you let go of the past. You can't change it anyway. So let it go with this process, and think, when have you doubted and it ruined your day, week, month, year? And how would it have been different if you could have used this process? And then, what would be the benefit of that process? And you're doing this for two reasons. One is to give yourself permission to forget about the past. You can't change it anyway. And two is to go forth with the confidence that you have the tool that no matter what happens, you can be sure and overcome that doubt. And if you could please go ahead and share what was valuable about this doubt exercise. And in the next session, we're going to look at values stories, how you can learn stories that help you reinforce your values and demonstrate your values to others. And very powerful in relationships. So, in conclusion, we talked about doubt, the most important of the inner distractions, the most important to be aware of and overcome that adversity, or those impulse adversity thoughts. We talked about the process of doing just that. Then we talked about the three-step process of using or getting rid of the past worries or fears about doubt, or bad feelings about doubt, and being confident to go forth with your new tools that you can overcome any kind of doubts that would be inner distractions and stopping you from getting what's most important. So, overcome your doubt. Have that free life.